Hello, welcome back to the 2026 DealFlow Discovery Conference. With us today, Gordana Slepcev, the President and CEO of Lomiko Metals, trading on the TSXV under the symbol LMR. Gordana, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much for the invite. Happy to be here today.
For our viewers out there who may not be familiar with you yet, can you give us an overview of the sectors that you're covering? What's happening right now in the graphite and critical mineral sector?
So Lomiko Metals is a critical minerals developer. So we focus on graphite, and our Luther flagship property is in pre-feasibility stage. We expect that to finish Q1 2026. And we also have acquired last year another project, prospective in Antimony. And also through that work, we are, of course, expanded, discovered some gold zones and also rare earths.
Let's talk about that. You recently identified significant rare earths, gold, antimony, some anomalies in Newfoundland. Can you discuss the significance of the assay results and how that diversifies Lomiko's value now?
Yes, for sure. We're really excited to actually discover that aside of the gold, antimony, silver, and other elements, including lead and zinc, we actually had huge anomaly in cerium. That's one of the elements that's randomly assayed when you do a series of the gold assays called ICP-34. And then we did another suite of reassays and were shocked to actually see that maximum we have seen in the soil samples are about 0.5% rare earth. So which is really unusual, especially in that region. It is very prospective for gold. The next door is Newfoundland gold, and Calibre Mining just opened up the gold mine about 6 months ago. And the rare earths are really unusual. They're antimony, not so much, because Beaverbrook Pass producing mines about 25 kilometers south. But yeah, we're focusing on more work there, more reassaying, and then in the spring doing trenching and possibly even drilling, depending on the results.
So speaking of La Loutre, what are some key milestones that investors should be watching for in 2026?
So the biggest thing we're working on now, I mentioned on the beginning, is the pre-feasibility study, which we expect to publish by the end of the Q1 2026. Also, we're working on the anode processing and upgrading. We did excavate material in December, November. That's been crushed and moved to Coram in Quebec City. So this month we've been grinding and we'll start flotation next month. But most importantly, we will proceed with shaping, purification, and coating. We'll get anode material, and the entire process would take additional about 12 months.
So exciting news in the near term and long term. In summary, what's the essential value proposition? Why should investors take an interest in Lomiko Metals today?
Well, I would say that a bit different. Why not? I mean, we are the group that is issuing pre-feasibility study on the 7 biggest graphite deposit in North America. So yeah, there is a lot of opportunity for upside. And also we have another project called Rousseau. That's a new discovery. It's fully permitted for drilling. We will be raising funds to actually do that work in 2026. And really opportunity with antimony rare earth project gold, it's really immersed. It's a really blue sky there.
For investors looking for more information, where should they go? What website?
They should go to lomiko.com and they should email me at info@lomiko.com.
Wonderful. You heard it here. Gordana Slepcev, President and CEO of Lomiko Metals. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for the invite.